meron po kasing documents obtained by Bilyonaryo that actually showed that SPBC had 7 project sites across the country. Pagdating po nung 2022, yung company daw sought to donate yung sites na yon doon po sa host local government units, I guess the LGUs, but wala daw pong tumanggap, no one accepted it. So nangyari, the sites remained non-operational. The question is, because of that, should Congressman Leviste be held accountable? Kasi parang, would it be right to say, for not, I guess not even being able to fulfill what was committed doon po sa solar projects?
Pinky, definitely there should be an investigation. But we have to look into whether there is bad faith, whether there's conspiracy in the creation of these lots of companies. What's the purpose of doing that? Siguro dapat yun na makita eh. Di ba? O, kasi sinasabi ni Ombudsman Rimulya, nag-create ng kumpanya para ma-spin off. So, I mean, there are so much issues to be answered talaga by Congressman Leviste. Maraming issue to kasi may franchise to at bakit ang dami agad kontrata na ibigay sa'yo na tapos hindi mo pala kayang i-fulfill. And then your plan, you were, ito allegedly he planned to donate them, itong kumpanya na to, sa iba't ibang mga LGUs, pero hindi tinanggap. Why? Maybe because hindi naman nila kaya yung iniisip mo. At hindi mo rin naman siguro na ibenta sa iba, kaya naiwan na lang sa ere.